Hi everyone, welcome back to Yessaar Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to design an eye-catching social media post using Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this tutorial will cover all the essential steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Adobe Illustrator and click on Create New. To do this, for social media posts, a standard size is 1080 pixels width by 1080 pixels height, which works great for platforms like Instagram. Set the width and height to 1080 pixels and make sure the color mode is RGB, as this is ideal for digital displays. Once you've set your dimensions, hit Create. Step 2. Now, create shape on your post. You can either draw your own shapes using the tools in Illustrator or import graphics from other sources. Select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and draw a circle 700 pixels by 700 pixels. Next, select the line segment tool from the toolbar and draw a straight line from top to bottom using the Shift key on your keyboard. And add 20 points to the stroke. Changing the stroke color to red or another. To rotate items around a fixed point, select the line, navigate to the toolbar and double-click the Rotate tool. Adjust the angle to 45 degrees and press Copy. Then press Ctrl+D twice from your keyboard. Next, click each line individually while holding down the Shift key on your keyboard to select all of them. Next, select Object from the menu, then Path, and finally, Outline Stroke. Transform a line into a shape. Select all lines plus circle holding by Shift key on your keyboard. Then select Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center from the control bar to align. If the control bar is not displayed, select it from the window menu. Right now, all of your created shapes are centered. Next, holding down the Shift key, click on each line separately and select Unite from the Pathfinder dock to combine or convert a single shape. Next, select a line and a circle while holding down the Shift key. Go to the toolbar and choose Shape Builder to deleting portions of simpler ones. Then hit and hold the Alt key to click the line. We have now successfully created distinct shapes. Choose a single shape now and enlarge it a little. And take the opposite shape of the same step. Step 3. Let's add some graphics to enhance our post. There are several free web places available where you may acquire high-quality images for use in graphic imports. You can use the links provided in the description to download pictures and graphics. To do this, go to File menu, Place, and select the graphic file you want to use. Resize and position it as needed. Now, image placed on your file. Next, choose Send to Back from the Object menu under Arrange. Next, pick both, then choose Clipping Mask by doing a right-click on top of the selected layer and repeat the process for every shape with a different image. After selecting each layer, use the right-click menu to group all of the layers, then adjust the sizes and arrangements as needed. To improve your post, import one image now. Access the File menu, locate and choose the desired graphic file to utilize. Then change the configurations and sizes as necessary. Select the File menu. Locate and choose the desired background graphic file. Move it to fill the full artboard and adjust its size and make front of the shape layer. Next, select the Multiply option from the Appearance dock. Step 4. Add some text to our design. Select the Text tool from the toolbar and click anywhere on the artboard to start typing. Type your message on the sign. Navigate to the character panel while the text is chosen in order to change the font, size and color. To highlight the text, remember, the key to good design is readability. So make sure your text is clear and easy to read. Let's make sure everything is perfectly aligned and organized. To keep things organized, you can group elements together. Select the elements you want to group, right-click and choose Group or press Ctrl+G. Grouping makes it easier to move and adjust multiple elements at once without losing your layout. You can add effects like shadows, glows, and gradients to give your design more depth. Select the element you want to edit, go to the Effect menu, and choose the effect you want to apply. Finally, we created eye-catching social media post. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to export it. Go to File, Export, and export as. Choose JPEG or PNG format and make sure the resolution is set to 72 dpi for web use. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Yessaar Tech for more design tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.